Want a pool robot that actually makes life easier instead of adding one more thing to manage? Let's go from the weakest option to the best one, because the top picks are where the real value is. In 5th place, we have the Betta. This one lands at the bottom not because it's bad, but because it plays a completely different role from the rest. Instead of cleaning the whole pool, it focuses only on the surface, scooping up leaves, bugs, and floating debris. That can still be a big help in the right setup. If your pool always seems to collect mess on top, this little cleaner works like a non-stop helper that patrols the water while you do something else. It runs on solar power, skips the cord entirely, and can stay out there for long stretches, which makes it more convenient than full robots when the job is just surface cleanup. The downside is obvious once you compare it with the others in this ranking. It doesn't scrub the floor, climb walls, or deal with the dirt that sinks and sticks. So while the next products are trying to clean the whole pool, this one is only handling the top layer. This is the right choice for someone who wants an easy surface skimmer or already owns a separate cleaner for deeper work. If that sounds too limited for your needs, keep watching, because the next model gives you a more complete kind of cleaning. Links to all the products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In 4th place, we have the SAT-20. This is where the list starts to move into real full pool cleaners, and on paper, this one sounds pretty promising for buyers who want a cordless machine without jumping straight into a premium price bracket. It offers long runtime, decent coverage, and the kind of simple cordless convenience many people want right now. In day-to-day use, that means less hassle with cables and easier drop-in cleaning. Compared with the Betta, this is a much more complete solution, because it's meant to do actual pool cleaning instead of just skimming the top. Still, this is where trust becomes a factor. Compared with the stronger brands higher on the list, the SAT-20 has thinner documentation and less proven long-term reputation. That doesn't automatically make it a bad buy, but it does make it harder to recommend with full confidence when the next options feel more established or more capable. I'd look at this one if you want a cordless cleaner and you're comfortable taking a chance on a less proven name. For most people though, it makes sense to step up one more level and see what the next model brings. If this ranking is helping you out, hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. In 3rd place, we have the SAT-25. Think of this one as the more ambitious version of the previous model. It promises a broader cleaning range, including the floor, walls, and even the water line, which immediately makes it more appealing for buyers who want fuller coverage. That extra reach is what helps it edge past the SAT-20. If those claims hold up in your pool, it gives you the kind of all-around cleaning most shoppers are actually after. It's cordless, it's designed for longer sessions, and it sounds like the type of robot that wants to compete with more expensive machines by offering a big feature list. But once again, the weak spot is confidence. Compared with the Dolphin and Aiper, this one feels less verified and less battle-tested. So even though it ranks above the SAT-20 for broader claimed ability, it doesn't feel as reassuring as the top 2 products when you think about support, consistency, and long-term ownership. This is for someone who wants more coverage than the SAT-20 and is still waiting to roll the dice on a lesser-known brand. If you want a safer, more established choice, the next product is where things get much more solid. In 2nd place, we have the Dolphin. This is the dependable workhorse in the lineup, and for a lot of pool owners, that kind of reliability is worth more than flashy extras. It comes from a brand that people already know, and that instantly gives it an advantage over the 2 ABNEMEN models. What makes it strong is how simple and proven it feels. It cleans floors and walls, has an active brush, uses easy top-load filters, and even includes a weekly timer, so you can automate the routine a bit. Compared with the SAT-20 and SAT-25, this one feels less like a gamble. It may not sound as exciting on paper, but in real life, boring and dependable can be exactly what you want. The reason it stops short of 1st place is that it doesn't offer the same modern flexibility as the top product. There's no app control, no cordless freedom, and no dedicated waterline cleaning. So while it beats the lesser-known models on trust and overall confidence, it doesn't match the feature depth of the final pick. This is a great fit for someone who wants a cleaner from a proven brand and would rather have consistency than chase every new feature. But if you want the most complete package in this group, the top spot is still ahead. At number 1, we have the Aiper. This is the most complete all-around option in the ranking, and it feels like the cleaner that best matches what most people imagine when they think of a premium pool robot. It brings together the features that matter most in one package. You get cordless freedom, strong cleaning coverage across the floor, walls, and waterline, fine filtration for smaller debris, and app control for a more modern experience. Compared with the Dolphin, it gives you more flexibility and more convenience. Compared with both ABNEMEN models, it feels far more refined and fully featured. Of course, top place does not mean perfect. This is still the kind of cleaner that asks you to pay more, and like other cordless models, it needs recharge time instead of just running whenever you want. But even with that trade-off, it offers the best balance of reach, features, and everyday usability in this lineup. This is the one I would recommend to buyers who want the strongest overall package and don't want to compromise much. If you want the best pick from this list, this is the model to beat. Take a look at the top products using the links in the description under the video and choose the one that fits your pool, your routine, and your budget. And before you go, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.